Hi everyone. So in last video we talked about that is laws of exponents. What were the laws of exponents and powers? Now in this video we are going to discuss some examples based on laws of exponents. All right. These examples are given in your textbooks. So let's first go through these sums and then we'll be doing exercise. So let's begin. See, in your 10th example, it's given that, just a minute, let me highlight it so that, all right. So write exponential form of this taking base as 2 means you have to write 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8, but you need to take base as 2. All right. So let's see how to do that. See, basically 4 times 8 means 8 raised to 4. All right. But you need to take base as 2. Now, we know that 8 is nothing but 2 cube because 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So, instead of 8, we can write 2 cube. Alright? So, can I say that instead of this 8, I can write 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, and 2 cube. Alright? Okay. Now, we can say that these bases are same. So, we'll just take 2 and 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 3 4 times. All right, because addition is nothing but repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So you'll just write 3 4s are 12. So we can say that bases are same, so powers will be added. With that rule we can write 2 raised to 3 into 4, that is 12. See, if there are multiple numbers, then to make our life easy, we can just write 3 4s are 12. All right, because if you're just going to add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it will be 12 only, right? So 2 raised to 12. Now, this is one method. The other method is here. See, this is 8 raised to 4. Can you see this 8 4 times? So I have just written here 8 raised to 4. Now, this 8 is actually 2 cube. So instead of 8, I have written 2 cube. Why? Because they have asked us to take the base as 2, right? So instead of 8, I have taken 2 cube, and this 4 is same. This 4 will be same. All right. Okay. So I'll just remove this. Okay. All right. So 8 raised to 4 is basically 2 cube whole raised to 4. Now, I know that, see, what is the relationship? What is this rule? Power of power, right? We saw in our last lecture that power of power is nothing but multiplication. So 2 is 2 raised to 12. That is 3 4s are 12. All right. So this is how you can say that the same sum you can solve like this. All right. Okay. So here you can just mention one more step, that is 2 raised to 3 into 4, and then you will mention this step. Okay, so this is how you can do this sum. Coming to the next example, simplify and write the answers in exponential form. So you first need to simplify, and your answer should be in exponential form. Means you don't have to find the value of it. Okay, so let's see first sum. See, this is 3 raised to 7, 3 square divided by 3 square into 3 raised to 5. So the first thing we'll do is we'll solve this. Now we can see that bases are same. So, and there is a relationship between these two is division. So whenever there is same base and division relationship, we do subtraction of powers. So that's what we are going to do here. 3 raised to 7 minus 2 multiply by 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5. This will remain same. The answer of this is 3 raised to 5 and this will be again same. Now you can see that, see, bases are same, powers will be added. Alright, so 3 will be same and 5 plus 5, 10. So your answer is 3 raised to 10. Alright, see, the way they are giving you, you just solve it step by step and you'll get the answer. There is, it's not at all difficult. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at the second. 2 cube, 2 square into 5 raised to 5. Now if you can see here, 2 same base. Alright. So first settle this. 2, 3 plus 2, because whenever there is same base, you have to write this, that is powers will be added, and 5 raised to 5. See, you need to mention here the rules, okay? That a raised to m, sorry for the handwriting, a raised to m multiply by a raised to n, because you are applying this rule, okay? This rule is equal to a raised to m plus n. You need to mention this every time you do this. All right. Okay. Now you can see here the solution of this is 2 raised to 5 and this is copy paste. All right. See, normally what I prefer is you have to write one below the other, that below this equal sign should come so that it will look proper. And now you can see that bases are different but powers are same. In that case, what do? We just mention bases like this because whatever the relationship between them that you show here, and because the powers are same, you just need to show one time. So 2 into 5 whole raised to 5. So 2 5s are 10, 10 raised to 5. And they've already told you that you just need to mention them in exponential form. So you'll just write like this. So this is your answer. You don't have to multiply 10 5 times, right? Okay. Next sum. 6 square into 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 cube. Now the first thing you do is sort out this. So same base, power will be added because multiplication relationship. That's what we are going to do here. 6 is common and 2 plus 4. This divided by and this thing will remain same. So we'll just copy paste, right? And now you can see that 6 raised to 6 divided by 6 raised to 3. Whenever there is division and the bases are same, powers will be subtracted. So that's what we are going to do here. 6 raised to 6 minus 3, that is 6 cube. All right? Okay. Next sum is 2 square whole cube into 3 raised to 6 into 5 6. So first of all, we'll settle this. Okay, we'll solve this. So power of power means 3 2s are 6. So that's what we have done here. 3 raised to 6, copy paste. 5 raised to 6, copy paste. Now, as you can see, they all are different. The bases are different, but the powers are same. So you can directly write like this. You can even ignore this step. All right. So directly you can write like this, that 2 into 3 into 5 whole raised to 6 and then 30 raised to 6. Now, 8 is equal to 2 cube. Therefore, 8 square divided by 2 cube. Now listen, one thing here is very important, that whenever you have these type of sums, you always try to make the bases same so that you can apply the rules, you can apply the laws. All right. So to be able to apply the laws, we always should try to make the bases same. So 8 square is nothing but 2 cube square. We have just seen this, right? That instead of 8, you'll just write 2 cube and the square will remain same here. This remaining things will be same, right? So 2 raised to 6 divided by 2 cube. Now you can see that the bases are same. The relationship between them is division. So powers will be subtracted. All right. So 2 raised to 6 minus 3, it gives you 2 cube. We'll just keep them like this because they need to mention it in exponential form. All right. So this next example, simplify, we'll see in our next video. All right, let me just check. Yes, there are, yeah. So we'll see these examples in our next video. Till then, goodbye.